Hi there, and welcome to another video on the Bite Size channel. I'd like you to just pause the video and open the link underneath. Great, so today I'll just be showing you a couple of cool tips and tricks that you can achieve while using cables. So first off, Control and the P key will open the console. So there's a huge amount of options here which are available, which you can just check out in your own time, but I just want to introduce you to a few of the important ones. So if I type in render, I can change the renderer size. So now I can just type in 1280 by 720 and I change the canvas size. You can also click here, you can click size to achieve the same goal. So if I press Control P and I type in scale, then I have the option to scale the renderer. So if I now put this in 0.5, what happens is we keep the aspect ratio and we have the resolution, but it's smaller. Really handy if you've got to work in a fixed size. So I press Control P, scale renderer, put it back to 1. So another cool thing we can do here is we have the sidebar, and a lot of people don't know you can customize it. So you click here and you can add and remove icons. So I could say, for example, I want to have the icon to just upload a file. So I'm going to just click and drag this here, close this off, and now I can click this and Cables will ask me what file that I want to upload. This is great, so you can just customize it how you'd like it to work for you. So another great thing with Cables is we have drag and drop functionality. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to grab this awesome picture of a monorail cap and I'm going to pull it in. It gets added to the project files. I'm going to go back into full screen, and Cables has automatically created an op for the texture. So let's just behold the awesomeness of monorail cap. There we go, works out of the box. So you can do this drag and drop with sound files, with textures, with videos, and 3D models. Goodbye, monorail cat, thank you. So we're gonna go back here. Another cool thing that we can do is if you click on an op, you always have the parameters here, but something a lot of people don't know is you can click the parameter name, and now you can type in the name of an op, and the op will automatically get the name of the parameter it's connected to. So now this is called width, and it's just ready to be used straight away. Another handy tip, if you're losing track of your patch, if you press C, you'll zoom to the middle of your patch. Just a really simple feature, but it's very handy inside of a bigger patch. Another one that we have is texture preview. So if I click this eye symbol here, as you can see, we now see the entire pipeline. So if I click this, it flashes and takes me here. If I click this, it flashes and takes me there. So when you've got a lot of image compose channels, this is a really handy way to debug and just to find where the effects are inside of your patches. Okay, that was it for the tips and tricks for today. I hope this video has been educational and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them under the video below. Thanks for your time. Bye.